How billionaires avoid taxes legally, and you can too. Ever wondered how billionaires like Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos, and Warren Buffett pay shockingly low taxes, sometimes even zero, while regular people foot the bill? Stick around, because today we're breaking down the perfectly legal, and surprisingly smart, strategies billionaires use to legally avoid taxes. And by the end, I'll show you how you can start using some of these too. Let's go. Let's get one thing straight. Most billionaires aren't breaking the law to avoid taxes. They're simply using the system, written by lawmakers who, by the way, are often wealthy themselves, to their advantage. Take this quote from Warren Buffett. "I pay a lower tax rate than my secretary." Sound crazy? It's true, and here's why. There are two main types of income. 1. Earned income, that's your salary, wages, tips. Taxed up to 37% in the US. 2. Investment income, that's capital gains, dividends, etc. Taxed at just 15 to 20%, sometimes even 0%. And guess what kind of income billionaires have? Mostly investment. That's step 1 in the game. Now let's talk about the most powerful strategy. Buy, borrow, die. Here's how it works. 1. Buy assets, like stocks, real estate, or private businesses. 2. Borrow money against those assets instead of selling them. 3. Die, and leave the assets to heirs tax-free, thanks to the stepped-up basis. Let's break it down. Say you own $100 million in stock. If you sell it, you pay capital gains tax. But if you borrow $20 million against that stock, using it as collateral, you pay no tax. Why? Because loans aren't income. And when you die, that stock passes to your heirs at a stepped-up value, meaning all the previous gains are wiped clean for tax purposes. It's completely legal. Next up, billionaires use a ton of tax-advantaged vehicles to reduce taxable income or defer taxes. Here are the big ones. 1. Foundations and charitable trusts. Ever notice how billionaires are philanthropic? It's not just kindness, it's tax-smart. Donating appreciated assets to a foundation lets them avoid capital gains tax and get a charitable deduction. 2. Roth IRAs. Yes, really. Peter Thiel reportedly grew a $2,000 Roth IRA into $5 billion, all tax-free. How? He put early shares of PayPal into it. The growth. Untaxed. 3. Real estate and depreciation. Real estate investors, including billionaires, can legally depreciate their properties, writing off value on paper even if the property goes up in market value. Add in 1031 exchanges, and they can defer taxes indefinitely while swapping properties. Here's another trick. Billionaires harvest losses to offset their gains. It's called tax loss harvesting. Let's say they invest in a stock that goes down. They sell it, realize the loss, and use that loss to offset other gains, even carry some forward to future years. Then, they might buy a similar stock, or wait 31 days to repurchase the same one, to avoid the wash sale rule. It's like getting a discount on their taxes. Here's the part that might sting a little. Billionaires don't just use the tax code, they help write it. Many ultra-wealthy individuals and corporations lobby lawmakers for tax policies that favor investment income, offshore loopholes, and estate planning vehicles. Is it fair? Maybe not. Is it legal? 100% yes. And it means the system isn't broken, it's working exactly as designed. So what can you do? You don't need billions to benefit from the same principles. Invest, don't just earn. Use Roth IRAs, HSAs, and taxable accounts for long-term growth. Borrow strategically. Think Helix, home equity lines, or margin loans. Start a business. You get access to write-offs, deductions, and even retirement plans like Solo 401(k)s. Learn tax loss harvesting. Use platforms like Wealthfront or do it manually. Give smart. Donor-advised funds let you gift appreciated assets and get a deduction. Use the rules. Don't break them. That's the billionaire way. Tax laws are complicated, but they're not just for the rich. The more you understand, the more you can keep in your pocket. If this video helped open your eyes, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what tax trick surprised you the most. This is Finance for All, helping you build wealth the smart way. See you next time.